Welcome everyone to today's video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when trying to sign in with a passkey instead of a password. The problem arises when tapping on the username field and being presented with a list of passkeys to choose from. It can be a bit confusing at first, but fret not, we got the solution right here for you. In the solution provided, it's advised that when you see the list of passkeys, simply tap on the passkey you'd like to use. This streamlined approach ensures a hassle-free sign-in process. In Google Chrome for Windows, keep an eye out for the Use a Passkey option. Meanwhile, in iOS Safari, bypass the big blue button and instead, look for the small key button to select your desired passkey. With these simple steps, signing in with a passkey becomes a breeze. To wrap things up, we've covered the problem of selecting a passkey during the sign-in process and offered a straightforward solution to streamline the experience. Remember, when faced with multiple passkey options, simply tap on the desired passkey to proceed. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy passkey signing!